Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own marinara sauce the only way. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 28 ounces of high-quality crushed tomatoes, 2 fresh garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of fragrant basil. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome for your homemade sauce. Now, let's build the foundation of our sauce's flavor. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a sturdy pot over medium-low heat. Once warm, add your 2 minced garlic cloves. Sauté them gently for about 1 minute, just until they become fragrant. It's crucial not to let the garlic brown or burn, as this can impart a bitter taste to your beautiful marinara. This step sets the stage for a rich, aromatic sauce. Next, it's time to introduce the star of our show, the tomatoes. Carefully pour in the 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes into the pot with the fragrant garlic. Give it a good stir, adding a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce it to low. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. To finish our perfect marinara, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped basil. The fresh herbs add a vibrant, aromatic touch that truly elevates the sauce. Now, taste your creation and adjust the seasonings as needed. Sometimes, a tiny pinch of sugar can help balance the acidity of the tomatoes if you prefer. Serve your warm, homemade marinara sauce over your favorite pasta or as a dipping sauce. Enjoy your delicious efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.